Hey, what's going on, guys? I was sent this retractable pop-up outlet, a countertop outlet for free, so I could do a quick install video for you and let you know what I think about it. So I'll walk you through what it came with and just show you how or all the steps it took to get it installed. So you'll see it comes with this pack of 3 screws here, and then this comes installed on here. You can see on the actual outlet housing part, these are threads that this will screw up to and actually mount your entire unit to your countertop. So, and then you'll see, hopefully there's 3 little holes there. That's what those screws will be for. So after you get your housing situated in the position you want, you can go ahead and lock it down and then put those screws in so you don't ever have to worry about it backing out again on you. So you'll see that I have holes that I put in my entertainment center. So this is a 4-inch hole, so you'll need to make sure you have like a hole saw or some way to put a 4-inch hole into whatever your surface is. For me, I have the top level here, and then I have a shelf on the bottom. So I had to do mine in layers. So first, I'm going to go ahead and drop the cord. Actually, I'm going to pull this under here first and set that there so I can pull my cord down through it, because I have to take my cord all the way down to the bottom. There we go. Okay, so you'll see, as long as you use an appropriately sized hole saw, so that's a 4-inch hole, it sits on there really nice and flush. You don't have to worry about your edges or like the having any jagged edges or anything like that, because it sits there really nice. I'm going to show you how you use it real quick. You just push down, and it nice and slowly raises up. Like I said, I'll choose my position. I'm not entirely sure which direction I want to face it yet. But what you do after you have it sitting in here now is I'm going to reach back under and grab this bracket or plastic, I don't know, screw that it came with. And I'm just going to screw it all the way back up to the top and get it as tight as I can by hand. You see, and that's what actually locks it in place. So, like I said, pick your direction that you want it, lock that down, and then put your 3 screws in there. And then you have your whole housing and unit installed. And it just looks super nice. I'm really excited to get on my TV and everything set back up on here, because it's, I think, just going to take away a bunch of the clutter and mess that I had. So I'm going to do another video in a minute to kind of walk you through all the features and show you everything about it. But just wanted to show you what you needed to do in order to get it installed wherever you're installing it.